everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're down at the allotment again, and what I come down to do today is tidy up as much as I can. I'm just in my polytunnel, just checking my plants at the moment, just seeing what's happening with them, and they all look alright. So I might be able to get my sweet potatoes and that in a bit earlier. Might plant them next week or sometime because the slips are ready and I've still got some to come. I see my carrots and that starting to come through now, which is a good sign. Let my cameraman come up a bit more. See, my potatoes are doing quite well. I don't know if we're going to have any more frost. I think it's the heat in here while they're growing so fast, but I wanted to put them out, but I don't want the any frost to hit them. If we have a late frost, these are my onions, not doing so well, so I might do those again. My rosemary and my guava, my French beans, my limas. This big tub, what I put some carrots in, I think because it needs a lot of water, but I see a few little sprouts coming through, so hopefully once they get regular water in, then these plants up here, my spinach, my chocho, see that's growing nice. It's just looking for somewhere to grab onto. So those, once the weather changes, I've got these plants here to put somewhere. I've still got my gooseberries to plant, and my strawberries. I've got, every time I come I keep forgetting to bring my snips. I've still got to add some more coir to these beds here. So once I get sort that out, and I've got some coir to add to these two. These are for my sweet potatoes as well. I've got some bags to do as well. Nothing from my sugar snaps. I don't know. Every time I plant them, I never have any luck with them. And then this is my the rest of my onions. So don't know if I can get any more out of there. So that's what's going on in the polytunnel. So I'm going to give these plants in here a quick water. Then I'm going to be working outside most of the time. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've managed to water all my plants, and I've still got some coir to top up those other beds because I want to try and put my sweet potatoes in a bit earlier. So I just got some buckets here. I can see that this is a bit on the dry side, but it don't matter too much because I need to carry it. So my sweet potatoes as well, I've got another thing that I'm going to be planting them in some bags as well, but I'm going to do that in a minute because I've got to sieve the dirt for that. So I'll be back with, just going to top up these ones a bit, then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've watered and I've got some coir which I've put into here. I'm going to be putting sweet potatoes in these two as well. So these two most probably stay inside or go out. I'll see how it goes. And I've topped these ones up as well. So what I want to do now is come outside and start this tidying up process. Got to get it done, so every time I keep delaying it, and it's just to know where to start from. So what I'm going to do first is get all these buckets, that I've got, and bags and everything, get all those emptied into that bed there. then I can use the dirt as well, what's in them, as I go along. So hope you're enjoying our videos. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. So we're going to carry on, see what we can do, and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we're getting the buckets empty. We emptied out a lot of them. So what I'm doing, I'm reusing this soil, and I've mixed in some sand and some perlite into it, and a bit of coir, and I'm putting it into one of these bags, which is what I'm going to be trying this year, see if with my sweet potatoes. So what I'm going to be doing with my sweet potatoes, I'm going to fill this up, then I'm going to put some, maybe two sweet potatoes, cut a hole in there, cut some drainage holes as well, and then that's going to stay outside. And then what I might do is put a bottle on top with some holes, and then tighten that on, so I'll water through that with some kitchen waste and that. So that's what I plan to do. I'm going to do about 2 or 3. I'll see how it goes. I've got to see where to put these as well. So I'm going to give that a trial and see. I've seen it being done, so I thought I'll give it a try and see what happens. Just put a sweet potato like at a diagonal, or on one on each side or whatever, and then, or you can put one straight at the top or somewhere, and then let it grow and then see what happens. So I'm going to do this. I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we've started our tidying up. What I've got to do before I go, I've got to mix up some more coir, or leave it till I come, because I've still got to top up these as well. As you can see, I've put the coir on top, getting them ready for my sweet potatoes, which I'm going to be planting with soon, because I've got a tunnel temperature. It's quite warm up, quite warm there. They've switched the water back on, so I'll be able to water. Then my temperature is 22 in here, and that's with the door open. So this is a coir blocks that I get, and I'll just put one in the bucket, and then fill that up with water, so that'll soak. When I come back next time, that'll be ready. So we've made some progress. I'll show you from up here what we've got left to do. The main thing on here is the wood. The wood what was from this bed, is getting rid of that, then tidying up these old weed membranes. I'm gonna use this area here. My potatoes are going in this bed here, so I'm going to put my potato buckets in here. I'm going to fix that up and put my potato buckets back in here. When I don't know if we're going to have any more frost, then I'm going to have to spend a whole day down here, just try and pull out as much of these stinging nettles as I can. They're just getting to be a pain in the neck. This is my first peony what's come through, but I can see it's the rains affected it, but it's still a young plant, so they're all growing well. My roses are doing quite well as well. Just got to tidy up everything now. And once I tidy up this area here, I flatten this down, get that flattened down as well, get it trimmed and everything. Then I'll start putting my my bags of manure, pile them up ready, because I'm thinking of going away for the winter. So I'm just working to get everything what I can done, but we'll see how it goes. If we can do it, we can do it. If we can't, we can't. But hopefully we'll get there. So hope you like our videos. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave any comments, you can leave them in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. I don't know, I'm going to have some sweet potato slips up for sale. That's going on, they'll be going on eBay, or if you're interested in any, send me your contact details and I'll get back to you in the comment section. The ones what I'm going to be selling this year is the Jamaican ones. We brought them over from Jamaica, which is the Jamaica purple and the Jamaica soft skin. And I've also got some of the Japanese Okawani slips for sale. Those were a bit of a challenge to grow, but I managed to get quite a few slips out of them. So it's going to be a mix bunch of sweet potatoes. If anyone's interested, just leave a comment in the comment section and let me know. So I hope you enjoy this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. When we've finished tidying up and everything, then we'll start getting our plants in. My onions have gone in already. This is a whole bed of onions here. Yeah, so all I'm doing now is just keeping an eye on the little weeds. As I see the weeds come up, I pull them up. But I can see some of my onions starting to sprout already. They're starting to sprout already, so everything seems to be coming along nicely. So it's just if we get any more frost, I don't know. So I've got my French beans to go out, but I don't know whether to put them out or not yet. But we'll get all this cleared up and everything, get the grass trimmed up and get everything tidied up, and then we're good to go. So hopefully we should be alright. So thanks for watching. I'll see you all on the next one. You take care.